Good morning, everyone. Na hindi ko sanay may ibang si Cassie. You look cute though. Very cute. Hindi lang sanay si mama may bangs ka. Sabi? Oh my goodness. You like it?
No. You did that.
I did that. You did it yourself. I just fixed it. So it's even. Anyway.
There's a serum.
Nagbugtaw siya kay Hambalya. Hindi siguro katulog sa iyang gunting. Nagbugtaw sa kung okay man ko no buhok ya. Tiyambal ko okay man. So, hindi lang ko sanay yung. Kaya daw nagbalik siya sa tong 2 years old siya nga may bang siya. You look cute. I like it. Do you like it?
No.
No?
No.
Next time, don't cut your hair without letting me know, okay? Do you understand? Yeah?